Hey mama, how would it feel to actually be able to buy yourself something? I'm talking like when you're in the store, you're walking around, you're getting things you need, you see something you like, you can pick it up, put it in your basket, and go check out. Guys, I know this from watching my mom, and whenever I became a mom, I was doing the same thing. I would literally look at stuff and then put it immediately back because I either knew that I could not afford it, or I would have bought my daughter a new toy, and I knew if I bought the new toy, I wouldn't be able to afford what I wanted. And so I just put what I wanted to the side. And my husband was like, why do you always do that? I'm like, because I want to spoil my daughter, Isla, more than what I want, right? How would it feel to be able to not only spoil your kids, but spoil yourself sometimes too? Ever since I started online digital marketing, I've made $20,000 off my phone, and it has allowed me that to when I go in the store, be able to look at something and put it in my basket and go check out. I don't have to think about, oh, can we afford it? No, I get to just do it. Now, do I do it every time? No, I'm not rich, but digital marketing has set me financially free to where if I do want to spoil myself, I can. And you could do this too. Literally 9 months ago, I was a complete beginner. I didn't know anything about making money online. I didn't know anything about digital marketing. But I decided to take the opportunity to learn, and I stayed consistent. I tried each and every day to get better, and I still do to this day. And that's what's allowed me to bring in a full-time income while being a stay-at-home mom. I'm telling you, if you're in a financial struggle bus, even if you're working a 9 to 5, you only need a couple hours a day to make a couple videos or a couple posts on social media to promote the program, and then you can bring in income. Guys, I'm telling you, if you want to learn how to make money online, all you need to do is comment mom down below, and I will give you more information.